It's here. It's here. We got it finally. It's here. No, not that. That's just a bag of corn. I'm talking about this. So today we're going to do unboxing. I got this in the mail, and I'm hoping that this is our replacement for our hot air popper. Haha, it is. A little box, surprisingly. So I went online to find a hot air popper because the local stores, Target had 1, Walmart had 0, and I stopped looking after that. I'm like, fuck it, I'm just going to go online. So I ordered this one online because it looked like it is a style that I like the best. You know, it's a standard upright. It looks like a standard upright popcorn maker. I'm hoping that the round chute will allow the popcorn to flow out nicer into one area. And it all seemed fairly nice. We'll see how well it works. I don't know about this 100 grams. I really don't care how much my popcorn maker weighs. It sits on a table. It could weigh 10 pounds for all I care. And it comes with an instruction book, use and self-care. Let's see. Kernel cup. That's this, I guess. For scooping kernels, melting butter. If you do that, that's gross. We use, this method is much better. A spray bottle to add a little bit of oil so that then the salt will stick to the corn. Let's see. And then it's in different languages. So let's see what it says under use. Read all instructions. Surfaces are hot. Protect about electrical thing. Don't use underwater. Don't use as a sex toy. Chamber pop foreign objects. And then put popcorn in. Oh, here we go. Make sure appliance is plugged in and cleaned. Allow cool for 15 minutes. Remove. Use slide, cover, wash, assemble. Alright. Oh, using. Page 6 is how to use the damn thing. Before use, clean inside out. Find flat surface, gather your popcorn making supplies, plug in appliance, remove cover, add, let pop about 2 minutes, we'll turn off unit, pour kernels into, replace cap. So I'm by flipping, wait a minute. To heat up popping chamber. Oh, so they want you to preheat the unit for 2 minutes. And then put in your popcorn, let it pop, let it go out, and allow 15 minutes for it to cool. Then they have in here some stupid, terrible recipes like traditional popcorn balls or Parmesan popcorn. Ooh, yeah, Parmesan cheese to it. Spoiler. And then regular, add butter or salt. Add a pinch of sugar for sweet kettle corn taste, which is disgusting. Flavored corn, add any other seasoning. Here's some other recipes. Chunky Monkey. Okay, it's with chocolate chips. It's not actual monkey parts. Okay, because that'd be gross. Popcorn peppermint bark. Oh yeah, that sounds just as bad as Chunky Monkey. Okay, well I'm gonna wash this stuff out like it said in the instruction book first to wash out their factory germs, and then we're gonna get started. Be right back. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. They kind of burned off the new smell. That's kind of starting to end. You can hear it's actually not that loud. I'm surprised. So let's take the little cup. It's their measuring cup. And this is Amish Rainbow Blend. That's the type of popcorn, if you're wondering at the beginning. Because I wanted to try some of the, traditional rainbow popcorn or Indian popcorn you used to call it before that became a bad word. Now it goes in easy. Some of the other ones, the hole's so small that it's hard to hit. Oh, you can watch it spin. Check that out. This is what you did before you had TV. You could watch the popcorn go around in circles. Pepperidge Farm remembers. Got my grease. Exciting time. The question is, will they come out? Will they come out in a nice order? Will they come out with all the fucking corn with them too, like the other popper? I'm thinking not, because it seems to be the shape of it. It's round, the slope. It seems when the kernels pop, they come up and slide back down in. Which I really liked how our other popper looked. But, you know, functionality also matters. See, our other popcorn popper, the popcorn wouldn't actually stay in the top. It shot out right away, along with kernels. This one, it seems that most of the kernels are falling back in. I've seen one down here in the bottom of the bowl. One unpopped kernel. You think they'll pop? You think they're done? Huh? See? Just when you think they're done, one more pops. And usually when I turn it off, one pops afterwards. See? Every fucking time. It's amazing. Alright. Spray on some grease. Add some pink salt. It's actually really good, and it didn't make a mess everywhere. My wife is going to be happy that I didn't make a mess this time. And I get to have my favorite snack. Well, I like this one. It's quiet. It worked well. It was like 20 bucks online. Amazon, whatever. So, not that you should go get this one. Get any one that you want. I don't care. This has been Real Easy Cooking with Robert, and I'm done. Chunky Monkey. Okay, it's with chocolate chips. It's not actual monkey parts. Okay.